So resuming where we left out in the last video, as you can see, the parser.fromFile method basically reads the text over here, and there are three kind of keys, as you can see, that has been created. One is having the metadata, another is having the actual content, and then the status. So status 200 is okay. That means we are able to read the text. So we will just put the content key to get our text out of the parsed PDF dictionary. As we can see over here, this is what we got. So we got a dictionary class created from this method, parser from file. It's a dictionary that is getting produced having three keys: metadata, content, and status. While metadata pertains to the metadata of the file, like author information, and creation date, etc., while the content is the actual content, the actual text of the resume. So the status is 200, which means it's okay. We were able to communicate with the file and read the text. So I am putting the content key to get my content into a text variable. So now I will hover over the text to see like all those fields. The complete text has been extracted as it is from the resume into a text variable, right? So this matches with the resume, as you can see. So I'll return this. So this returns to the main pipeline over here. So guys, this is how we are trying to read a text from resume using Apache Tika library. And the next is kind of a pre-processing function we are applying on the text that we have read, the resume text. So let's see. So I'll step into this function. So it's basically replacing the new line characters with spaces, right? There are a lot of new lines, as you can see in this, like Sean, Brenton, a lot of new lines. So it will replace with only the spaces, right? And then for our processing down the line, we need to convert the complete text into lower, while we will be maintaining one more pipeline, which I will demonstrate in coming sessions, that will have the original text, while this is a text that has been converted into a lower text, as you can see through this lower function. So all the text has been converted to a lower in the lower case, as you can see over here, right? So this is a requirement for the processing by the pipeline, that all the text, whatever matching we are doing it in one single lowercase. So that's the preprocessor function. So it's basically removing the new line characters and basically converting the case to lowercase of the resume text that we have read. So we will go back to the main pipeline. So I think this was the resume read step that has completed, and the next step would be the keyword read step, which we'll go into detail in the next session. Thanks guys.